Good morning, children. Let us start with today's thought. It's always the small pieces that make the big picture. Let us start lesson 23, Growing Up and Growing Old. Children, let's start with Can You Tell? Observe the picture here and we will find answer to the questions. What is the boy's mother in this picture wearing? We can see the boy's mother is wearing a sari. What is his sister wearing? His sister is wearing a salwar suit. What is the color of his grandfather's shirt? The color of his grandfather's shirt is light blue. What is the color of his father's shirt? The color of his father's shirt is green. How did you guess who the mother is and who the sister is? Children, we can guess who the mother is and who the sister is from their clothes, their look and their style of hair, that is their hairstyle. How did you guess who the grandfather is and who the father is? Children, we can guess who the grandfather is and who the father is from the color of their clothes. That is, grandfather is wearing light colored cloth and he is wearing kurta pajama, whereas father is wearing bright colored cloth. Father is wearing a shirt and a trouser. The color of hair too is different. Father is having black hairs, whereas the color of grandfather's hair has turned grey. Children, we can recognize the age of a person from their appearance, from the type of clothes they are wearing, right? And from the color of hairs, right? Let's move to another questionnaire. Can you tell? When does a baby start holding up its head? Baby starts holding up its head by the age of 3rd or 4th month. When does a baby start teething? छोटे बेबीज को दांत कब आते हैं? Baby starts teething by the end of 6th month of age. When do babies begin to turn over? Turn over means पालते पड़ने. Babies begin to turn over by the age of 4th or 5th month. When do babies learn to stand up? छोटे बेबी खड़ा रहना कब सीखते हैं? Babies learn to stand up by the age of 10th to 11th month. Why aren't newborn babies fed rice? छोटे बेबी को राइस क्यों नहीं खिलाया जाता? Newborn babies do not have teeth, क्योंकि उन्हें दांत नहीं होते हैं. They cannot digest the solid food. वो गाढ़ा फूड, सॉलिड फूड नहीं डाइजेस्ट कर सकते. Therefore, they are not fed with rice. Why do small babies need to be carried? Small babies do not have strength in their legs. They are unable to stand up on their own. Therefore, they are needed to be carried. छोटे बेबीज के पैरों में इतनी ताकत नहीं होती है कि वो खुद से चल सके, इसलिए मम्मी उन्हें गोदी में लेती है. Children, let's move to as we grow. A little baby is born. Everyone is happy. The mother lovingly takes care of her baby. She bathes the baby every day. She feeds it with milk when it is hungry. She sings it to sleep with lullabies. Children, lullabies means लोरी, जिसे मराठी में हम अंगाई गीत कहते हैं. जब किसी घर में न्यूबॉर्न बेबी आती है तो सब लोग बहुत खुश होती है। When the baby is born in a home. और बेबी की सारी केयर कौन लेता है? मदर, राइट? Slowly the baby grows. It becomes taller. Its weight also increases. As the baby grows up, it learns to crawl. Children, crawl means move forward on the hands and knees, जिसे मराठी में हम रांगणे कहते हैं, राइट? Its teeth come out one by one. Then it learns to stand and later to walk. All this while it gains in height and weight. धीरे धीरे बेबी के दांत निकलते हैं, फिर वो धीरे धीरे खड़े रहना सीखते हैं और फिर चलना। और इन सब प्रोसेस में बेबी का हाइट और वेट इंक्रीज होता है, राइट? द बेबी learns to recognize its mother. It learns to recognize other people. It begins to have other foods. Mother feeds the baby rice with milk. Gradually, it begins to speak. धीरे धीरे छोटा बेबी अपने मम्मी को और घर के लोगों को पहचानने लगता है, राइट? और मिल्क के साथ साथ उन्हें सिंपल सॉफ्ट फूड भी खिलाया जाता है और धीरे धीरे बेबी बोलना सीखता है, राइट? Whether it is a boy or a girl, nature does not differentiate between the two in their growth. चाहे गर्ल हो या बॉय हो, उनकी ग्रोथ एक जैसी होती है। When they become bigger, they are not babies any longer. A little boy becomes a big boy. A small girl becomes a big girl. At the age of 6, children start school. They keep growing in height until the age of 18. जब बच्चे 6 साल के होते हैं तो उनका स्कूलिंग शुरू होता है, मतलब वो स्कूल जाना शुरू करते हैं और इस तरह से 18 साल तक बच्चों की हाइट बढ़ती है, राइट चिल्ड्रन? We will continue the remaining part in the next video. You have to read the lesson thoroughly. See you in the next video. Till then, happy learning.